our new vlog. So yesterday and the day I think before we the day before we had a chill day. Yesterday we said we were gonna do some stuff, but we
still had a chill day.
Today we're actually going to the Hollywood sign. We actually woke up pretty early. What time is it right now? I don't even know what time it is. But we're gonna go hike up the Hollywood sign.
We gotta eat.
Nobody hiking without eating.
On an empty stomach.
And we're doing the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Maybe Gryffin Observatory, maybe. And Venice Beach and Santa Monica.
I need my dipping dots.
Yeah, that's the plan for today. We're leaving on Sunday. What are we doing tomorrow? Maybe we're going downtown LA tomorrow. Yeah. Vlogs.
If you're down, keep your head up because you got this. You got this.
Alright guys, stay tuned for more. See y'all later.
Bye-bye.
Adios. Au revoir. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh guys, so I don't know if I told you, but I thought I lost my glasses.
This girl found
but it's in my pocket.
I remember
and I bought
everywhere.
Literally. All our luggages, bags, everything. I even bought like a new one, but it's fine. I got 3 now. It's a win-win situation. But a beautiful day today in California. We made it to the Olive Garden. It's, what time is it? It's 10:59. It opens at 11, so we're gonna wait a bit. Now we're fueled up to go for our hike to the Hollywood sign. Are y'all ready? Right, so now we are headed to, it won't focus. We're hiking up. I regret not wearing shorts. It's so hot. Are y'all ready for this hike? We're about to go there. Holy. We haven't even been walking for freaking, I'm like sweating. I regret to. Thank you for YouTube videos. We made our way to the top. Woo! We're gonna get dark. Wow.
Oh, I found it.
Whoa! Look at that.
Night.
You can't see. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. That's downtown LA right there. And then the Hollywood sign is right over there. Look.
Thought I saw you at our bar last night. Hid in the bathroom, I just couldn't say hi.
We didn't even bring water. I'm dying. Oh my god. But this is so fun. It's so beautiful. I can't complain. Woo!
Do you feel like
What
your
time is
hands
it?
are getting swollen?
Yeah, no. It's 2:08. What time did I say we left? 1:30? I think so. Oh, but we stopped a couple of times to take some pictures. How y'all doing? I'm good? Same, how about you? I hope there's water on the top of it.
I doubt
No water on top.
What's over there? Oh, it's the Griffith Observatory. Right over there. Whoa. Was the hike worth it? Was it worth it? Yeah. Now we're headed back down.
My hands are swollen.
Just like bam. I think we even took that clip off. Bam. Her rings.
I don't want to go out.
We're going back down. We're gonna go to some Starbucks now. It's so hot. Oh yeah, we should have. Oh, that's cute.
But he has a lock. We will put grass.
Look, someone did it too, you see? Oh.
It broke, but it's far away.
This one. That one was dry. you go.
We stay there for a while.
Yay!
Yay, guys! Woo! Okay, now we're going back to the car.
Another spot for the Hollywood sign. Come on, yep, work it. Where's the Hollywood sign?
You might as well dance here, you know? Oh yeah, we should do that.
Go do it. Go. Hey. Hey.
Where to?
Where to? We go to Starbucks.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So don't mind the hair. It looks like crap. Don't mind the hair. We got our Starbucks. What is that? I got a Trenta peach citrus with white tea lemonade. Alright, so we're gonna hit the highway and we're gonna jam to some bomb-ass music.
We're going back to the hotel, then
yeah.
we're going to the beach.
We're going back to the hotel, then we're going to the beach. But yeah.
Another beach.
And then another beach.
Yeah. I low-key got a sunburn. Guys, you can't tell, but oh my god. Oh. Ah, he got a sunburn. You can even see on camera. Okay, so I changed. I put on a t-shirt. So yeah, we're at the hotel just to freshen up a bit. Then we're going to Venice Beach. Because I feel like there's more stuff to do there in the morning, and then Santa Monica tonight for the carnival. We're here!
But it's closed.
We're here!
The what?
That.
It's fine. Oh, here. Perfect. No dogs.
On the beach.
Okay, I'm not allowed to go in here, guys.
Hi guys, we made it
To Venice Beach!
Woohoo!
Here.
It's beautiful.
Can you imagine living on the beach?
On the beach. On the beach.
So now we're gonna walk around and see what there is. People skateboarding.
What Venice Beach has to offer.
Oh, Venice Beach has a lot to offer.
Yeah.
It's kind of cold.
And then we're going to Santa Monica.
Santa Monica.
Oh my god, guys, look at this. Hello, mamacita. Wow. They can see because the sun is like hitting towards here, so they can't really see how beautiful this is.
Don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I don't think that I have it in my soul to keep letting go. You hold me real tight, kiss me hard another time. Be my fire for tonight, and then I'll let you burn my
Kim, do you want to leave?
No. Let's stay here.
Let's stay. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, sure.
Sorry, I gotta go see. Sorry.
So, a photographer just asked if he can take pictures of us because
And we're like, why not?
for his photography class or something. I don't know.
It looks like he's a scholar.
Yeah. That's awesome. His pictures were awesome. So we asked him if he could actually send us the pictures that he took because they were pretty good. Yeah. So now we're headed more towards there. See some, that's where the skateboarders are. And Muscle Beach, I believe. But look at that. The sunset is soon, guys. Like, look at that. That's nice. Hey, girl, hey. Wow, I don't want to leave. Oh my God, look at that. I don't know where I put our battery. It's good quality so far. Oh my God, this is like my, this is like happiness right here. Well, Hazel's first. Why is it so Hazel's first? Look, guys, this is Muscle Beach. Look, the sunset. We're able to catch the sunset. Hey. Cool.
Damn, this basketball.
Look at that. I feel like the quality in this camera is like so much more better than this actual camera.
Actually, that's true.
Look how cool. Okay, where's Brian's receipt? We need Brian. Oh my God, this quality, I cannot. Guys, you don't need a vlogging camera. Just
There's
use
free Wi-Fi apparently.
just use your
telefono.
Oh my God, I'm capturing this right now. Look it. Nice. Oh hey puppy. Hey, what's up? Look at this guy. What? Dang. This is freaking amazing. I can't. Oh my God. I don't want to leave. Go see some people skateboarding. Dang, so where we headed?
Santa Monica Beach.
Yeah, we're done. That is.
My dipping nuts. I can
We're
eat that. I can eat that for supper.
I'm getting more sick. But we're going to Santa Monica Beach now. We parked the car all over. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yes, queen, yes. Right. We just finished. Oh, we're in Santa Monica now, by the way. We just finished eating our food. What time is it now? It's like almost 10. Did you literally just look at your thing? It's almost 10. And we just finished eating our burritos with chips and nachos. She got chips and nachos. Chips and guacamole, and she got chips and salsa. Did you like it? Yay, Kim can finally get her Dippin' Dots. Can you imagine if they're closed? No, they're open, they're open. You're chilling.
There's another one over there.
You wanna go there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cool.
Let's go. I don't know if their churros are good here. I got my churro. You got her Dippin' Dots. He got that churro. He got the Dippin' Dots. The one in Disneyland was better though. Facts. Alright guys, we'll end the vlog right here. I'm saying we, but Kim is in the bathroom taking a shower right now. I just remembered that we did not end the vlog. So I don't remember when was the last time we vlogged. Santa Monica. Yeah, we just ate, walked around, and then went home. I'm getting more sick. I don't know if you can tell, but don't forget to put sunscreen. I didn't put sunscreen, and look what happened to me. I'm literally so red. I'm a tomato. Kim got sunburn here on her face, but me, even my back is so red. So, well, we hope you enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow we'll be going to Hollywood Walk of Fame, and then maybe shop around and stay around the area. Maybe go to downtown LA. We'll see. We never follow our schedule or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Kimberly, you want to say hi? Bye. She's in the shower. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends, with your parents, your Lolo, your Lola, your Nino, your aunts, your uncles. And we'll see you soon. Bye.